I'm having way too much fun building gunpla that I decided to build one. Out of paper. Hello everyone, my name is Mharz and today we are going to try some paper craft. So what we're gonna build is Gundam Mk-II and I will put the link on where I got this template down in the description so you can check it out if you like. Bear in mind that this is the first time I am doing this ever, so chances are I won't do it as beautifully and efficiently as expected. So don't expect. First, let's print the patterns. It's recommended to print them in cardstock, but I just printed the white parts on a photo paper and the colored parts on a folder. I actually printed this in a smaller scale because it said that the actual size is like around 5 inches in height, and I was like, well, I just want it as big as my SD Gundam builds. That was not a good idea actually because it was really hard to cut the pattern off the paper. It took me hours just to cut all of the head parts. Also, this little thingies right here, it's actually hard to fold clean. Anyway, I'm gonna try to finagle this. Well, this is something. It was very hard to glue those tiny triangles. It actually frustrates me that I end up cutting the small parts and just let the glue do the work. Let's press on. The next day and I finished the head. It doesn't look good. I mean, you can tell it's a Gundam, but it's not really up to my standards. See, I told you not to expect. I have to admit, this is way harder than I imagined. Maybe it's because I printed the pattern in a smaller scale. I wonder if printing it bigger would help. Although honestly, I don't have the patience to build this papercraft anymore. Just cutting the parts takes so long. So I'm just gonna call it quits here. I'll just stick to building gunplas. It's kind of a bummer, but hey, not all projects I try in this channel will work, and that is the point. It's about trying things and see whether I enjoy it or not. Despite that, I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that G-dang bell. You can hit the like or dislike button if that's your thing. Any kind of engagement will help this channel a lot. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!